Tab 9. Goodwill.
Tab Goodwill. Well, when you're organized with your things and your money and time, it's time to think about how you can help this world. See, we are the only creatures on earth that have been designed to be literally physically happy when we share things. Probably heard saying that back in the days we had less things, but we were much happier. No, it's right now we do have more things, but we're less happy because we stopped doing things that we used to do in the past, which is get together, help others, help each other, help in the communities, do block parties and things like that. Right now you live and you don't even know your neighbors. Well, we created charity. It's like a private network for all the good causes, for all the crowdfunding, for all the things you want to do. Right now with charity events, you donate money and 70% go to administrative expenses. So right now with the charity tab and with the help of artificial intelligence, we want to help all the organizations and regular people get together, get organized, manage their logistics, optimize all the processes so we can do right things and we can change the world, we can help this planet to be better, and then we can be aware of what's happening in our life. You see, with the Internet of Things now we can handle quite a few ecological problems, energy problems. With all of that, things can run more smoother, much more efficiently. We'll know where the outbreaks, where we need get together and fix something before it's too late. So we need to harvest the power of Internet of Things to make this world a better place. And Tab Charity is for you. And with all these great features that comes with Internet of Things, we can now manage it, optimize it, and run it way much more efficiently than we used to until our days.